In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contact data from HubSpot. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To begin, head into HubSpot and navigate to CRM, then Contacts. This is where all your contact records live, and it's the starting point for any export. Once you're on the Contacts page, look for the View drop-down near the top of the table. It might say something like All Contacts by default. Use that drop-down to choose the specific list or filter you want to export. Picking the right view ensures you only pull the contacts you need, whether that's a saved list, a filtered segment, or all contacts. When your desired view is visible, move your attention to the top right of the table. You'll find an Export button there, or in some layouts it may appear under Options as Export. Click it to begin the export workflow. HubSpot will then prompt you to choose a file format. Common choices are CSV, XLS, and XLSX. CSV is a great universal option if you plan to import the data into other systems or handle very large files. XLSX preserves formatting and is handy if you'll be opening the file in Excel and want better compatibility with formulas and formatting. Next, you'll be given customization choices for what information to include. You can export all properties associated with each contact. Limit the export to only the properties currently shown in your view, or include additional data like activities and associations. Exporting all properties gives you a complete dataset, which is useful for backups or detailed analysis. Choosing only the view columns creates a leaner file, which can make review and processing faster. Adding activities and associations with Timulhos will include interactions, related companies, or deals. Useful when you need context for outreach or reporting. But keep in mind, the file size may increase. Once you've picked the format and customization options, confirm by clicking Export. HubSpot will prepare the file and usually sends a download link to the email address associated with your account. Depending on the size of the export, this can take a few moments. Check your inbox for the message, and if you don't see it, look in your spam or promotions folder. If you run into permission errors, ensure your HubSpot user role has export rights, or contact your administrator. That's all there is to it. A clear, controlled way to get your contact data out of HubSpot for reporting, backups, or system migrations.